Welcome to Dropbox Sign for Procore by Shake IT. In this video, we are going to cover a new feature called Request Templates. Prior to this release, there were two options for adding signing locations to the main Procore contract. Either pay Procore's Custom Solutions team to update your templates, or drag and drop the signing locations at the time of generating a request. Request templates allow you to predefine the signing locations for your main Procore contract. Then, when sending a request, you can apply a template and have the signer roles and locations applied instantly. Let's take a look at how this is configured, as changes are required in both Procore and Dropbox Sign. To create a request template, browse to a contract in Procore, such as a commitment subcontract. Export the contract as a PDF and save it to your device. Log into Dropbox Sign as an admin or team manager. These templates are shared across a team, so it's important all of your team members can access the templates. Browse to the Templates page and press the Create Template button. Upload the PDF that was previously downloaded. Add as many signer roles as needed, then enable the signing order. Drag and drop the signing locations and press the Next button. Provide the template a name and press the Save Template button. These steps will need repeated until each contract type has a template within Dropbox Sign. In Procore, browse to your side panel configurations and expand Request Templates Settings. Enable the feature and select default templates for each contract type. This will automatically select the template when setting up a request. Make sure to press the Save button and refresh the page. Everything is now configured. As you can see, our commitment subcontract now automatically uses the correct template. Add signers to all signer roles and press Launch Dropbox Sign. The signer locations are now automatically placed, and there is no need to drag and drop fields. To learn more or to get help setting up this feature, we recommend scheduling a meeting with the Shake IT team. For more information about Dropbox Sign for Procore, please visit www.shakeit.ai or search for Dropbox Sign on the Procore Marketplace.